Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete Tonkeeper wallet account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Now by default you will be on the Wallets tab, so you just have to tap on this gear icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed on this settings page where you are going to see a bunch of different options. But as we want to delete our Tonkeeper wallet account, you just have to scroll down, and in the bottom you are going to see the third last option of delete account. So if you tap on the delete account button, it will show you this pop-up in the bottom, which says that your wallet, keys, and all of your personal data will be erased from this device if you delete your wallet. So if you haven't recovered your recovery phrase, then you can backup it. So before deleting your account, you just have to backup or copy your recovery phrase so that if you want to recover your account, then you will be able to do so. After checking this box, you need to tap on this Delete Wallet Data option in the bottom, and then you are going to see a pop-up in front of you. So you just have to tap on the Delete button, and this way you will be able to delete your Tonkeeper wallet account. So that's basically how you can delete Tonkeeper wallet account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.